Oh, family, look at this. I cooked some Alfredo. Wait, let me stir it around. Girl, Light Bright is trying to get. No, ain't no girl back. You ain't even putting it in there. No. She ain't doing it right. Look at her. See, she fucking her up. She's fucking up. Come on, now. Look at this, family. The mushrooms, the chicken. Here. She getting mad because she wants to eat. Look at that, family. Oh, Lord, I put mushrooms and chicken. I cut up some chicken breast. She over there just smacking. She getting mad. Look at her. Look at that. Oh, Lord. Wait a minute.
Okay, give me my food, man.
I'm giving it to you. I
ain't got no pasta.
Okay, I'm getting you some pasta. I'm getting her some damn pasta. Look at her. She can't wait to eat. And the goddamn dog. Slippery. It's slippery. It's slippery. You need more pasta. You got too much of that. Wait a minute. Here, put it over there.
I need pasta.
Oh, we need a fork for this. Look at this, family. Oh, family, I had to share this with y'all. Oh, Lord Jesus. She didn't piled it up. Look at her.
Okay, that's enough.
That's a lot, ain't it? Is that a lot?
No.
It ain't a lot of pot. Look at her. Look at her, family. Oh, shit. Look at that. Woo!
She irritated.
Oh, Lord Jesus, I threw my foot in this motherfucker. Take a bite of it. Get a bite. Get a bite. Get a bite. Get a bite.
Come on, stop playing.
Family, I'm telling her to get a bite for y'all. Get a bite. Go ahead.
You to get a bite.
Go ahead, get a bite. Come on, get a bite.
No.
Light Bright being the ass right now. Come on, get a bite. Get a bite. Get a bite. Go ahead. Go ahead. Get the mushrooms and the pasta. You just not just no goddamn pasta.
Mama, shut up. Let me get it.
Okay, get it. God damn it, get it.
Look
Get
at
it. Roxy ain't getting none of this. Roxy got dog food. Look at that. Ooh. Girl, what it tastes like? Tell them what it tastes like.
It's good.
It's good?
Hell.
It's good as hell. Smack it, girls. I want to see this whole sauce. Give me my plate. You want some? Queen Mezziah looking like a ghost over here. Look at her face, family. Family, we over here throwing down. I decided to cook today some chicken Alfredo with mushrooms. I didn't want to put the shrimp in there because that's for another day. Okay, but these mushrooms is so good and juicy. Look at here, family. Look at this. Look at this. Oh, my Lord Jesus. Oh, Lord Jesus. Family, don't that look good? Get your plate. She look at her. She tapping. Tapping. Come on, bring it on over here.
She hungry.
She hungry.
You need that
hold your plate over here.
You need that metal.
That metal one's broke. And the goddamn metal.
What metal one?
What you got to say? Y'all see her face. She okay. Look at that. I can't get it all on there. I needed a fork. She's sitting up here crying. You gotta tell me how much now. You want some more? Here, you ain't got no mushrooms and chicken.
Put some broccoli in them.
Here. Okay, where my plate at? Give me a goddamn plate. What the hell? Family, they leaving me out of this. I just had to share this with y'all. Give me a plate.
You should have put some, broccoli in. Why no broccoli?
She asked me now why the broccoli. Ain't no broccoli. Oh, it probably, well, maybe it is. I don't know what the hell is in there. I know I cooked today. And she over there, Roxy got her damn dog food that she better eat on. She over there howling and hollering. You know.
Eat your dog food.
She be cutting up, y'all. And then she cornered me. What make it so bad? This motherfucker cornered me. Yesterday, to let her outside. She's trying to mate with some other dog.
Well, she already
down the way. I think she pregnant too, your family. Her titties is hanging. They hanging. This is Mystery Child. It's her dog. She here for a minute, family. Look how I did that. Look at that, family. Oh, Lord Jesus. Ah. Look at Light Bright. Go ahead on. What you got to say about
it? Cheese.
Look at her. I don't know if it's some Parmesan cheese. Look at her. She twirling it. Look at her. Go on, soup it up.
Okay, let them see you.
Let's soup it up. Give me the
Goddamn camera. Let them see you soup it up. Go on, get a fork. She gonna irritate me, y'all. Y'all done seen me soup it up already. That's her turn. Go ahead. How good is it? Is it real good? Is it good?
It's fine.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. You got the mushrooms and the chicken. Y'all see that? Go ahead, soup another one. She irritates as hell.
Family's good.
She always coming up with some stuff. Put some goddamn mushrooms in. Look at this damn dog. Look. Do y'all see her? She like, what if mine's that? No, you got dog food. Eat your damn dog food.
I don't want to eat her damn dog food.
You got it all on your chin.
That's okay though.
Now she irritating as hell. Yeah, but this is good as hell though. Yes, it is.
I put my foot in it.
She put her foot in it. About time she cooked, y'all. Cause she been lazy lately.
Yeah, I haven't cooked in a while.
It's fine.
It's fine. You want coffee?
Oh,
you can't have it.
I drink some water.
Fam, y'all will get some burps. Okay, give it here. Family, y'all got some burps. And y'all got some good old mukbang eating. Today is the day. Oh, I miss my cooking. I could cook my ass off, fam. I just ain't cooked in a while. Y'all gotta excuse me. I gotta put some more mushrooms in there. I ain't putting enough. This is some good old eating. Oh, Lord. Gotta put a little bit more in there. I know. The mushrooms make it. They make it. Whew. Family.
Not even a mushroom eater. But they good though.
Good as hell.
Alfredo.
It's good as hell, family. It's
They
Alfredo.
got pastas with mushrooms.
Not like her, huh?
Yes, they do.
Not like how I made it. If they put some more, they washed it off themselves. Y'all see a grown woman with sauce all over her face. And I got Gracie. Look at her. So what you want to say, Gracie? Roxy. That was our rabbit's name. Gracie's in heaven. She's in heaven. It's my pop too. Family, I don't know how I'm going to do this. But I'm finna figure this out. Because I'm carrying this and I'm getting the hell up out of this kitchen. She got to move out of my way. She's in my way. Family is good as hell. I got to turn on the light in here. Family, I have been talking about, I don't even know where I'm going to sit this at. My pop. I guess I got to go in the living room. Over here. We was watching TV. I got to put down my plate, family. Oh, Lord Jesus. Had to sit that up there. I don't want to get copywritten for nothing. Family, I tell y'all, this right here, this is good. Whew. Family, I got to start making up some recipes and stuff. Because sister girl, when I take my time, I do it right. Look at her. I don't have it lit up because I ain't using the extra light. But I think y'all can see that. Y'all hear that? Y'all probably didn't. We y'all some burps and farts. All in one. Look at her. Now I see why some of the mukbangers, they be eating like this. Oh, my nose. I even got my nose running a little bit. Oh. Woo. Queen Mezziah. You over there tearing it up, ain't you? Family, I gotta show y'all her. She over here in her little section. Just showing y'all everyday life. Turn that off, because I don't want to get copywritten for nothing. Oh, Lord. Look at her family. Look, family. Look at her family. Go on and show them. Tell them how it tastes. Family, she tearing it up. How it tastes?
Tastes good.
It's good? It's real good, ain't it? You can't even stop eating it, can you? Normally, she take her time eating her food. Not today, did you? Tell her what's that on your face.
It's a,
She got a face mask. On this her little corner over here that she got going on. She be trying to do her little makeup and stuff. Family, she growing up right before our eyes. She haven't been on in a minute. What you want to say to the family?
I don't know.
She don't know. Look. She over here tearing it up. What's that? How that mushroom taste? You can't help. You know what, family? People be talking about how people be smacking and stuff. See, family, I put my bed in the dining room. I got me one. I went and bought me a bed and I put it in the dining room. It's been in here about 2 weeks. 3 weeks? 3 weeks? Almost a month. It feels good. I don't have to go upstairs. I left that bed upstairs, okay? I got this other one. Roxy, what do you want to say to the family? Say something to the family. Say something to the family. Say something. She wants some damn food. She like, leave me the hell alone. Give me some food. Oh, family. I gotta start coming back on here. I miss y'all, family. If y'all miss me, let me know down below what it is. If you miss my family, you miss Light Bright, Hot Toddy, her little family. They got to get back on here. They only did a couple of videos and they stopped. But who am I to talk? Because I haven't been putting up no videos, really. Family, I've been going through my little dilemma. But I'm getting it together. This right here, this fire as hell. Y'all gonna hear her in the background. She fussing, okay? Man. She gonna keep on barking though. Cause she not getting none of this. She got some dog food with chicken and all that rice in it. You know, the dog food. She better eat on that. My mother, mouthpiece, messed her up. Got her liking regular food, okay? Boy, I said I could not go without coming on here posting it. Y'all know, I haven't had no Coke in a minute. Y'all get some burps too. That's what I'm talking about. Lord Jesus. Whew. Man, I know I'm cooking tomorrow. I gotta start back. I had slowed down. I miss my fat ass burgers. I miss my chicken. And I got to show y'all my sauce that I make. My dipping sauce, okay? Light bright. Light bright. I don't even know if she hear me, family. Oh, Lord. She in that stuff in her face, too. But family. I don't not. You know, people was talking about we love life, the smacking and the slurping. But you can't help it. When you eating and the food is good, you can't help but. I think we all do that. You know. She up there now. She don't give a fuck about what nobody say, okay? They say what they want to say. The girl is doing her thing. Okay? And you can't help but when it's good. I'm telling y'all, I wish I can get this to y'all. I really do. I really do. And I made it just right. The sauce. I got the big old fat mushrooms in here. The chicken. I cut them up like cubes. I cut up bell peppers. Onions. I had minced garlic in here. I had some Saison. Some abdubo. I don't even know how to pronounce it. Seasoning. I use a little pepper. Lemon pepper. I cooked the chicken first. Y'all can tell I ain't burped in a minute. I drink pop, but I'm trying to lay off of it. I drink a lot of orange juice now. And I got to get back on my water. My family, I'm telling y'all. Y'all gotta excuse me. I know this was sloppy eating. But y'all heard Queen Mezziah over there. Can't do nothing but slop it up. Oh. Family, I love y'all. I love y'all. And I'm going to be coming back to y'all real soon with some more videos. I'm full now. I done stuffed myself. Please like, share, turn on that bell. As the Crier family say, that bell. The bell. He trips me out when I hear him do that. Turn on that bell. And please subscribe. It don't take nothing to hit that bell, hit that subscribe button, and comment. What do you want to say? You still look like a green monster. What do you want to say?
No, I don't.
What do you want to say?
I don't know.
What do you want to say?
Oh, go subscribe to my TikTok is famous_queen1.
That's it. You don't want to say nothing else. She done ran away so quick. But family, I love you all. I hope y'all are staying safe and blessed. And I'll be back. Like Jack on the suicide rack. It's uptown, H downtown, baby. I love y'all. See y'all later.